Assalamu alaikum students, exercise number 1.3 of unit number 1 quadratic equation we were solving, and today we'll start its question number 10 and 11. Mark these questions, students. Question number 10, x4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and the question number 11, 2x4 plus x cube minus 6x square plus x plus 2, they are similar. They are similar, having same methodology, and how we'll sort this. The method apply in both these equation is same. Question 10, 11 are similar, and I am solving question 10, that is x4 minus 2x3 x power 4 minus 2x की power 3 minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It is also a reciprocal equation. A reciprocal equation is one that remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x. So the method in this equation is purely based on the reciprocal equation. First, see that equation. It is a polynomial x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1, and our topic is quadratic equation. So far we have solved the quadratic equations in exercise number 1.1 by expressing them in standard form, in exercise 1.2 using quadratic formula, and here in 1.3 by equation reducible to quadratic equations. These were the method, but having x power 4 fourth order by quadratic equation, we not deal with this equation. So we'll reduce this equation into quadratic equation and then use our methods to solve it. X power 4, so to remove this x power 4 and reduce this x power 4, if we divide both side by x square. So the method first is in question 10 and 11 solution, divide both side by x power 2, x4 over x power 2 minus 2x3 over x power 2 minus 2x square over x power 2 plus 2x over x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2 is equal 0 divided by x power 2. So the method for in question 10 and 11 is divide the whole polynomial by x square. It will become x power 2, it become minus 2x, x square cancel with x square, we have minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x square is equal 0 over x square equal 0. Now this is x power 2 and its reciprocal, and this is minus 2x and its reciprocal. Take minus 2 as common. It was minus 2x and we have taken minus 2 common, so this minus 2x will become plus x as 2 is common, so we'll have plus x. It was plus 2 by x and we'll take minus 2 common, inside bracket we have 1 by x, because whenever we'll take minus common it changes the sign inside the bracket, and at the end we have minus 2. Still this equation not become a quadratic, because it contains x square and its reciprocal minus 2x minus 1 over x, not a quadratic equation. So how we'll make it a quadratic equation? We'll let this x minus 1 by x equal to y. Students, you have already done this type of question in class 9th, exercise 6.1, taking square. So it is not new for you. If you done exercise 6.1 in class 9th, this is same. A minus b formula: a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. X square plus 1 over x square minus 2 is equal to y square. This minus 2 added in the right hand side, y square plus 2. Now making all the substitution in this equation, say equation 1. Now 1 becomes, in place of x square plus 1 over x square, we'll substitute y square plus 2 minus 2, and in place of x minus 1 by x, we'll substitute y. This minus 2 will come as it is equal to 0. This plus 2 cancel with minus 2, so remainder is y square minus 2y is equal to 0. Remember that we are solving this equation. It means we'll have to find the value of x. So far it has not been found. What we do, I am explaining you again. In question 10 and 11, the methodology is divided both sides by x square. After dividing both sides by x square, combine x square and its reciprocal and linear power x power 1 and its reciprocal plus a constant. Let this equal to y. Take the square of it. Find the value of x minus 1 by x, 1 equal to y, and 1 will be found after taking its square both sides. So y square plus 2 is the second value. Making this substitution, we have y square minus 2y equal to 0. I am writing this expression again. Y square minus 2y is equal to 0. We have y common, y into y minus 2 equal to 0, y equal to 0, either y equal to 0 or y minus 2 equal to 0. Here is the y solution, and here y equal to 2, but y was equal y has value x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x equal to 0 and x minus 1 by x equal to 2. Here we'll multiply both sides by x, or you may take this minus 1 by x on the other side. It x equal 1 by x. X is dividing here, it will multiply. X square equal to 1, taking square root, x equal to plus minus 1. Here it is different. Multiply both sides by x to express it in the standard form. X into x, x square, minus x cancel with I'll write the step, you might be confused. Multiplying both sides by x, x into x, x into 1 by x, x into 2 equal 2x, x square minus 1 is equal to 2x. Now bring this 2x in the left hand side. Now the equation that has been formed is a quadratic equation which can be solved by midterm break method or by completing the square or using a quadratic formula. Now we'll first check it by factorization. Let's see if factorization hold. Two solution has already been found. -1 multiply with -1. It is rough work. Is equal -1. So two number whose product is -1 and whose sum is -2. If we'll take -1 and -1, they are they are satisfying addition, but if we multiply them, -1 multiply with -1, -1 plus, so factorization is not be possible here. Let's now solve it by using quadratic formula. Here a equal to 1, b is equal -2, c equal -1, x is equal -b plus minus square root of b square -2 square -4 into a into c, divide it by 2 into a, that is 1. So 2 minus minus plus, plus minus 4 minus -4 into 1 -4, -4 into -1, it is +4, divided by 2 plus minus square root of 8 over 2, and you know the square root of 8 is 2 into square root of 2, divided by 2. Taking 2 common, 1 plus minus square root of 2 over 2, 2 cancel with this 2, and finally we find other two solution, 1 plus minus square root of 2, and it was a rough work. Solution set is equal to plus minus 1 comma 1 plus minus square root of 2. And quickly we'll do question 11 now. I hope you understand the part. Question number 11, 2x4 plus x3 2x4 plus x3 minus 6x power 2 plus x plus 2. Now what's to do? Divide both side by x square as usual we did in first part. 2x power 4 divided by x square, x cube divided by x square, 6x square divided by x square plus x over x square plus 2 over x square is equal 0 over x square. Divide both side by x square. 2x2 plus x minus 6 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. Now again we'll separate equation, that is 2 common, inside x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x, and at the end minus 6 is equal to 0. Again let y equal x plus 1 by x, taking square, y square will be x plus 1 by x whole square, y square, a square plus b square plus 2a into b, y square. This plus 2 is subtracted in the left hand side. Now making this substitution in equation number 1, equation 1 becomes 2 into, in place of x square plus x 1 by x square we have y square minus 2, plus in place of x plus 1 by x we have y minus 6 equal to 0. 2 multiplied by y square, 2y square. 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 4 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2y square plus y minus 4 and minus 6 minus 10 equal to 0. Now I think this question can be solved by factorization. Simply multiply the coefficient of y square with minus 10. 2 into minus 10 equal minus 20. Two number whose product is minus 20 and sum is 1. We can easily find they are minus 5 and 4. Minus 5 and 4, but addition condition is not been followed here, so we'll write plus 5 minus 4. Now it will satisfy. 5 minus 4 is 1 also, plus minus 5 4s are 20 also. So writing the factors, 2y square plus 5y minus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. It is rough work. Taking y common, inside bracket we have 2y plus 5. Taking minus 2 common, inside bracket we have 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now 2y plus 5 common into y minus 2. So I am using next page now, because after finding the value of y, we will substitute the value y equal x plus 1 by x, and then two quadratic equation will be formed, and remaining parts will start on the next page. So students, I am writing 2y plus 5 into y minus 2 on the next page now. 2y plus 5 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we'll find the value of y. After finding the value of y, let's see, we'll substitute y equal x plus 1 by x. 2y plus 5 equal 0, y minus 2 equal to 0, and y will be minus 5 over 2. And y will be 2, but y was equal x plus 1 by x, because we let the y equal x plus 1 by x now. So making this substitution here, it means x plus 1 by x equal minus 5 by 2. Also x plus 1 by x equal 2. Here in the denominator we have 2 and x, so multiply both sides by 2x. 2x into x, 2x into 1 by x, 2x into minus 5 by 2. It is 2x power 2, x cancel with it, plus 2 equal minus 10x. Bring this minus 10x here, 2x here changes its sign, plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. 2 is common, x power 2 a mistake we are doing, 2 cancel with 2, then we'll have 5x here. Now instead of 10, here is minus 5x and here will be plus 5x. Not need to take 2 common. 2x power 2 plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. I am writing this equation again. 2x power 2 plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now using quadratic formula here, a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 2, x equal minus b minus 5 plus minus b square mean 5 square minus 4ac mean this, divided by 2 into a, minus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25, 4 ones are 4, 2 into 8 over 2, minus 5 plus minus square root of 17 over 2 are the two answers. And for next two answer we'll solve this equation. One mistake we are doing here, here a equal to 2. Now 5 is b square minus 4ac, 5 square is 20, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 25 minus 16 is 9 over 2, minus 5 plus minus square root of 9 is 3 over 2. Here two possible solution which we have to solve. One is minus 5 plus 3 by 2, second is minus 5 minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 1, minus 8 by 2, minus 4. So minus 1 and 4 are the two solutions. For next two solution we'll solve this equation. As x is in the denominator, multiply both sides by x, x into x, x into 1 by x, it is 2x, x square plus 1 equal 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It can be solved by factorization. 1 ones are 1, so minus 1 and minus 1 are its factor. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. X is common, x minus 1, minus 1 is common, x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So taking square root, we have x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Solution sets. Minus 1 comma minus 4 and 1. Thank you students. I hope both these parts have concept based and you understand them well. Thank you so much, and inshallah we'll do its next part in our next lesson. Thank you so much. If there is any problem because of the mistakes, then do watch it again. Thank you so much.